Okay, so you've taken the quiz and it's probably confirmed what you already suspected. You've made a start, but there's still a bit more to do, isn't there? Based on your result, you might need a bit of a hand. Think for a moment, who's going to magically finish organising your paperwork piles, sort through any digital mess that's still a mess, and make sure your future planning is done and dusted? No one, right? And you know what's not fun? Unless you've got a life-sorting wizard up your sleeve, you're still stuck digging through drawers, chasing sticky notes, guessing which cloud hard drive and blasted file name you use. It happens, doesn't it? Worse still, realising your partner, if you have one, or your family, bless them, still have no clue where anything important is. That's right, isn't it? That's exactly where the Life Ready Planner really helps. Follow the toolkits and tick off everything you still need to do. Sort, store and protect your vital documents, important information and passwords, as well as get crystal clear on your financial healthcare and parting wishes. Normally, the Life Ready Planner is £97, but for the next 7 days, it's just £49. That's nearly 50% off, an absolute steal for the peace of mind it brings you and your loved ones. And here's the catch. We're offering it at this price because we want your testimonials so we can help others just like you. And for the next 7 days only, you'll receive a bonus Life Jar absolutely free. This opens links to the toolkits and My LifeJars Gold super secure storage online to save stuff in to share with people you trust, or you can save to your little jar, whichever suits you. It isn't just about great value at £49, it's about making a commitment and saying, I'm ready to get this finished and make life easier for me and the people I care about. Don't you agree? You really should stop saying, I'll finish this one day, shouldn't you? And you're going to make sure everyone else could figure it all out if they had to step into your shoes, aren't you? Because you know unexpected things do happen in life, don't they? And a little working it out beforehand will make everything so much easier for everyone, won't it? So don't wait, tap the button now and finish what you've started. You'll thank yourself later, and so will the people you care about.